So in this video, we are covering Agentic AI, and we do look what is Agentic AI, how does it work, and we do see the differences as well in AI agent, Agentic AI, and RAG, because these are the one of the important concepts in terms of generative AI, right? So they all kind of interconnected to each other, having a minor differences. So what are the differences? When can we use? When can we say this application is following kind of Agentic AI? This application is kind of following the AI agent, and this application is following kind of RAG, right? So here I can say, like, I cannot say like that in Agentic AI we cannot use RAG. We can use RAG as well, right? And AI agent may be having a RAG as well. So RAG is a kind of that architecture style, right? That do we implement, but having some minor difference that do we cover, as well as we do see what is the Agentic AI actually. Okay, what is the use of them? So Agentic AI mainly we use to make something like automated. Like for example, automate means automation. That means that things that is happening automatically, right? So first understand with the simple definition: an AI system that can think, decide, plan, use tool, take action, remember context, solve task autonomously. So these are the 5-6 kind of say point that do we have. If you are making some application like that should be behaving like Agentic AI, that should having a like decide, that should having like plan, that should having a think, that should having a tool, that should having a some action, right? Remember the context and solve task autonomously. So we have already seen that think means that is doing by the what I can say like LLM something, right? Decide, right? What it is to decide. Plan, then tool, we have a different type of tool. Take action, what action it has to take as per the requirement. So that can be do by the agents. So that should having agents, right? Remember the context. Remember the context means having some kind of memory, right? What previously that we have done and what we are doing next. Solve task autonomously. So that means it will solve the task autonomously, right? So they are not having a kind of dependency with the other work kind of them. So autonomously it will solve this. So having a like think, that is kind of brain, decide, right? Plan, use tool, action, what action it has to perform, remember, and autonomy. They all are kind of tool. If you want to make your Agentic AI application, that should follow this all kind of points, then only your application will become a like Agentic AI application. So instead of only answering the question, it is having a like act. So here we do having a like one what I can say like model of this Agentic AI or like agent called React. React means reason plus act. Reason means it is having some kind of thinking capability, right? What it is going to thinking kind of reasoning, and act means it is going to call some kind of automation. It is kind of third-party API, some kind of tool. For that purpose, we use act, right? So it is not kind of simply answering the question. It is having some kind of capability to act also. Act means in the middle of that, like we have seen, like to check the temperature. So check the temperature, what we did, we were calling the weather API. So weather API like a third-party API, right? Same like we were analyzing that that PDF, right? So analyzing the PDF, we were sending the prompt to the this through the RAG to the PDF. We were converting that, embedding and storing into VectorDB. So this kind of process that do we have to think whenever we are making this Agentic AI application, right? Now let's understand with the traditional AI based Agentic AI. So traditional AI is that do we having a simple like what is the weather in Delhi? It will give a simple weather. Now in Agentic AI, how it is going to improve this prompt? Now you ask, plan my daily trip for tomorrow. So it will ask like, okay, what is a daily trip? So what is things that is going to calculate? It is going to check weather. What is the weather, right? It is going to sunny, it is going to hot, right? Whatever it is. Search hotel, whatever the hotel is good in the cheapest rate. So it will call some hotel API, right? So it may call some hotel API, then it will calculate the budget as well. On the one day, how much budget you will get? Like for example, everything like 10K, 20K, 50K, whatever it is. Suggest places. What are the good places on that you can visit, right? So that will suggest the places. That maybe use the map API for them, right? Create itinerary, right? That means complete flow it will make, which one is good. So plan my daily trip. I will give this particular prompt only, and it will give me this particular. These all are the 5 steps that do we have, right? It may be having a kind of proper tool. They may having a proper tool. That tool may be called by the specific agent. So they are kind of executing autonomously, right? And if you're going simple with the weather, so it reply it's weather only, single turn response, no tool use, no memory of context, reactive, not goal driven. So it is not a goal driven, it is a kind of goal driven. So Agentic AI always will having a specific goal, and that will be having a goal driven, where traditional, I can say like simply if you are directly talking with the LLM, so here we can say like we are not having any kind of directly talking with the LLM only. We are not having any kind of agent, we are not having any kind of tool, we are not having any kind of memory. So that time we do get a simple result. So that is a kind of traditional AI, right? Now key component of the agentic AI, that is having LLM first, that is a brain, right? Memory, who will remember the conversation history, that could be like notepad, tool, APIs, functions, and actional capabilities, whatever we have, that can be do planning, break goals into multiple step execution, right? So whatever first it has to, let's take example of this, book the plan daily, right? So check the weather API, that is a kind of one broken. So this particular task has broken into 5 different tasks. So that way it will broke actually, that way it will broke in a planning basis, right? And reasoning, it will reason. First it will decide something that it may reprocess that particular, right? Step by step it will process. So decide the next best action at the each step. So what could be the next step, what could be the next action, what could be the next action on the basis of process, and then it will take action, performs real operations in the world. So they all are the kind of operation that we can perform with the agentic AI. Now, right? Next, we are having architecture of the agentic AI. So agentic AI architecture simple. It is having a user goal, LLM reasoning, choose tool, execute tool, observe result, and take next action, and will give a final response. Right? So goal input, the user define high level objective for the agent to pursue. Right? Reasoning loop, the LLM select the right tool and plan the next step dynamically. Right? Tool execution, that means external APIs, functions or databases are called together information. Final output, after all the steps complete, a published answer is returned to the user, right? So the agent loop through the reasoning, tool, observe until the goal is achieved. So that is a kind of complete life cycle, I can say, like, or architecture for this agentic AI. Next, we are looking AI agent with the agentic AI. So AI agent is simply like a single task, like a delivery boy, right? Agentic AI is like a project manager who is going to manage the complete team with the autonomous workflow, right? So it may have to perform any task. That do we look with next example. So that is action, limited action, multi-steps planning, tool use, simple tool to use, dynamic reasoning, behavior, reactive and goal driven. So AI, that behavior is always reactive approach, and agentic AI is always having a goal driven. So agentic AI goes beyond individual agent. It orchestrate, plan and execute full workflow autonomously, right? So that is the kind of things that is taken care by the agentic AI. Now let's understand with a simple difference, agentic AI versus AI agent. So like a project manager could be agentic AI, and delivery boy is like a AI agent. So what is happening? It is having a multiple task which has to perform, like launch marketing campaign, plan strategy, coordinate task, use tool, monitor progress, right? Adjust dynamically. So that means it has to perform multiple things, right? It has to multiple things, and it has to think which could be first. So like for example, it is having a reasoning, right? Reasoning means what could be the, like first it has to plan a strategy, after that coordinate. It will not say okay, plan, after that monitoring and then adjust. So that means it will decide what could be the best way to execute them, right? So that way agentic AI will work. And AI agent, that is simple delivery this package, it perform one task. So that is a kind of best example and real-time example. On that you can get a clear picture what is the difference between agentic AI and AI agent. Next we are going to see agentic AI in action, right? So user query, suppose I want to analyze sales CSV and tell me highest sales month. So here we are going to perform some kind of automations, right? Where we are having some sales data, right? On the sales data we are going to what I can say, like analyze them, and then we to perform some kind of operation on them, and I may send this data to my manager as well, right? So I want to generate this automate report also, right? So if you want to make it automate report, that means email should go, it will make some kind of graph as well. That all can be do by the agentic AI. Like for example, decide tool needed, what tool, read CSV file, analyze data, find highest sell, generate the answer, or it may send to my manager as well. That means that is the kind of automation work also can do by this agentic AI, right? Next, agentic AI versus RAG. So agentic AI versus RAG, what is happening? RAG, retrieve document, context retrieval, knowledge enhancement, search focused, right? So that is the use of RAG. And agentic AI, take action, autonomous workflow, decision making and goal focused. So example like find leave policy from the PDF that we have already covered in the previous video when we were covering the RAG example. That right? And here what we are doing, we are summarizing the PDF, reading the PDF, summarizing the PDF, as well as email HR report. That means may send to the mail to the HR as well. So that means here we are doing some kind of automation work, right? Now here popular framework for the LangChain for this agentic AI. LangChain is one of the framework, AI agent, LangGraph, multi-agent workflow, Crew AI, multi-agent Colab, AutoGen, autonomous agent, and OpenAI as agent SDK, AI agent directly, right? So that is a powerful framework. First LangChain, right? LangGraph, graph-based orchestration, Crew AI, role-based multi-agent framework where the specialized agent collaborate toward shared goal. AutoGen, that Microsoft framework or self-operations agent which conversational talk decompositions, right? So that is a kind of AutoGen. OpenAI agent, that means official OpenAI toolkit for the building production ready agentic application with the tool use, something like that. So these are the different popular framework that we can use, right? So key takeaway, agentic AI combine LLM with the memory, tool planning, and reasoning, right? And it loops through the action autonomously, right? And will goal it achieved until, unlike a RAG, agent AI take real world action as well, right? Popular framework, LangChain, LangGraph that we can use, right? And agentic AI is the futures from answering the question to solving the problem, right? As I told you, as we have seen one prompt, right? Plan my tomorrow daily visit. So what it will think, it will do many things on them, right? And in the next video, we are going to implement the agentic AI completely from basics to till advanced. So what do we do on that? We will having some sales data. We do analyze the sales data, and on the basis of analysis, we do generate one graph. And after that, that graph report we do send to the manager. That will happening only a single, I can select prompt only. So that means in the next video, we are going to create one kind of automation tool. So please watch the next video after doing that whenever I will upload. So that will be definitely help you to clear that concepts behind the agentic AI and how we can make automation using the agentic AI. So in this video, that's much guys. Thank you guys. Take care.